Infectious diseases such as COVID-19 and the flu are caused by pathogenic microorganisms that are responsible for some of the worst pandemics in history. Now, more than ever, in the face of a pandemic with so many unknowns, it is important to understand how our DNA plays a role in pathogen susceptibility. Because everyone is genetically different, it is to no surprise that individuals can respond differently to infectious diseases. In order to leverage the use of our genetic information to determine an individual's susceptibility to infectious diseases, we introduce PRISTINE, a web application designed to predict your susceptibility to infectious diseases. We are Sonali Gupta, Allison Rosinski, and Courtney Astor, bioinformaticians at the Georgia Institute of Technology who are passionate about helping others understand their DNA. Our goal is to provide curious users the opportunity to develop a susceptibility profile based on one's genotype data for over 20 infectious diseases, including COVID-19. Don't have your genetic information ready to input? No need to worry. You can get your genotype file from various personal genomic companies like 23andMe, Family Tree DNA, and Ancestry. Case control studies that assess the association between genetic loci and infectious disease susceptibility are on the rise. These studies help identify possible candidate genes associated with infectious disease susceptibility. Our technology implements the use of resources that have information on genetic variants attributed with susceptibility to specific infectious diseases. A polygenic risk score is an estimate of an individual's genetic liability to a trait, phenotype, or disease, calculated according to their genotype profile and relevant genome-wide association study data. The results shown in your susceptibility report will be presented in percentiles. A percentile is a number where a certain percentage of scores fall below that number. Therefore, if you are at a 50th percentile for a given infectious disease, out of 100 normal people of your ancestry, 50 will have a lower susceptibility score and 50 will have a higher susceptibility score. The susceptibility score is a genetic calculation that weighs a person's odds of contracting each infectious disease. In addition, blood type has been investigated to play a role in COVID-19 susceptibility and outcome. For example, there have been reports of a protective effect in blood group O and a higher risk in blood group A for severe COVID-19 progression. The blood group associated with an individual's genotype will be assessed and reported in the COVID-19 susceptibility report. We are excited to share this platform with our users to allow them to engage more with their genome by learning more about their potential susceptibility to infectious diseases. Thank you. We would like our users to know that the outputs of this pipeline are bioinformatic inferences and are not experimentally validated. These results do not confirm that you will have increased or decreased susceptibility, but rather provide insight of the possibility. Please consult health professionals regarding your susceptibility to different pathogens.